Tignan mo to. So cute! Why are you so cute? Guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In the last few days, we've been on an Adidas unboxing and review spree. We tackled this shoe, which is the new Adidas Quicks Forum Low Stripes Earned. We also checked out the newest and biggest Adidas shop here in the Philippines, the Adidas Brand Center in Makati. And we also brought this home and unboxed it, which is this really nice pink Trae Young 1 Cloud Pink sneaker. If you guys want to watch the videos on all of those, I will link them all down below. Check that out. However, hindi pa rin po tayo tapos. We still have a bunch of Adidas sneakers to unbox and check out. I actually have two sneakers here from Sean Wotherspoon. So this is the collaboration between Sean Wotherspoon and Adidas. So check them both out. Crazy, colorful, vibrant, eco-friendly. Yan ang theme natin today. Let's check both sneakers out in today's episode. Let's go! Now, before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. You guys know it, Rose Gold and Black. If you're looking for amazing accessories, be it minimalist necklaces, bracelets, chains, rings, you guys have to check them out, especially now that they're having their Black Friday sale up to 30% off, and you even get a free accessory upon checkout. So ano pa inaantay niyo? If you guys are looking for amazing accessories to level up your style and your vibe, link down below, exclusive for you guys, Rose Gold and Black. The first sneaker, I have two by the way, so make sure that you keep watching so you see both sneakers. This one is called the Super Earth Superstar. So a version of this first came out. The first version was in white. This is the black colorway, which was initially exclusive for China. However, there was like massive demand for it to release outside of China. So now we have it here in the Philippines. So kung titingnan yung box, here at the front, it says Super Earth. You have flowers, adornments, and all of those crazy colorful stuff along the side of the box. You have this nice character dito sa likod, and then you have the details of the sneaker as well as the price over here. Now, you can probably tell it's not my size. This is a size 9, SRP is 5'8", because I bought this for a friend. Now, if you pop the box open, bam, this is it. This is the Adidas Superstar Super Earth by Sean Wotherspoon. Now, I mentioned earlier the recycled materials or the more sustainable materials. So normally, the upper would be using leather, but instead of that, they're using 100% recycled polyester. Apart from that, if you take a look at the insole, it uses cork material, which is highly recyclable. Take a closer look at the shoe. The one that really stands out, yung kapansin-pansin, are these loose threads coming from the embroidered flowers that you see along the lateral and the medial side, and even here at the back of the sneaker. So if you guys are looking for a shoe that really commands attention and will turn the heads of people and make them look, this is one of them. Kasi nga, the threads are just all over the place. Plus, the contrast of colors is really loud. You have a black base, and then you have that pop of color with the flowers, plus that really vibrant midsection with the Super Earth character here for some sort of like lace guard or shield, and you have Super Earth in yellow written at the tongue tab. So yun, this is it. This is the Sean Wotherspoon Super Earth Superstar in the black colorway. Well, let me know what you guys think of this sneaker in the comment section down below. Panalo ba siya? Gusto niyo ba siyang bilhin? Trip niyo ba siya? Comment, let me know. I'll try to reply to as many of you as possible. That's the first sneaker. Punta tayo sa pangalawa. Okay, that sneaker was just a warm-up. Let's get to the main event. This is called the Adidas Sean Wotherspoon Super Turf Adventure. I think that's what it's called. This one is actually a silhouette that was designed by Sean Wotherspoon together with Adidas. Kasi the Superstar, as you guys know, is an existing silhouette. It just has the design elements of Sean Wotherspoon. This one is him. This is his silhouette, which makes it even more special and super exciting. Sells for 8,500 pesos, comes in eco-friendly packaging, and if we pop the box open, first things first, it comes in its own, bag, recyclable bag. It says Super Turf Adventure Adidas, and then yung actual sneaker is inside. Bam! Talk about an insanely crazy sneaker, diba? So this one, I actually got it in my size kasi I really wanted to see if I could rock it and wear it. As with these other shoes, it uses a lot of recycled materials. The recycled polyester, especially for the sock liner. You have that cork material for the insole. And apart from looking spectacularly vibrant, colorful, and fun, this shoe also comes with this attachment, which is a pouch that you can either wear on your shoe, or you can actually take it out and wear it as a small pouch that you can hang around your neck, or carry whatever small documents or change that you want with you. In terms of comfort, it is actually a rather comfortable sneaker. It uses the Adidas midsole of Adidas, and then the upper is actually quite breathable, and the sneaker is very lightweight. So magaan siyang dalhin. Another super interesting detail is if you take a look at the tongue tab over here, you will see the character from Disney of Jiminy Cricket. Apparently, Sean Wotherspoon and Adidas was able to get permission or a licensing agreement with Adidas to be able to use him for this sneaker. Kaya initially when I saw this shoe, I thought it was a collaboration with Disney. Didn't know it was a Sean Wotherspoon sneaker until I read the literature. But yeah, ang ganda oh! Diba? Well, not everybody will like it because the colorway is just really whack. But for those who are looking for fun, vibrant, loud, colorful sneakers, guys, you really can't get any louder than this. Very Sean Wotherspoon, to be honest. Very, very Sean Wotherspoon. So I just noticed that the pouch uses a material that Sean Wotherspoon used to shoot into popularity, which is corduroy. So naalala nyo naman yata yung sneaker that he made, the Air Max Sean Wotherspoon, that really catapulted him into popularity. So yun yung material that they used for this pouch. So what do you guys think of this sneaker and this sneaker? Let me know in the comment section. If you were to pick one, kung isang yung bibili ninyo, which one would you get? Would you get the Super Earth or would you get the Super Turf? Let me know in the comment section down below. Ako personally, this one would definitely be a little bit easier to wear. But sa totoo lang, they're both loud, crazy, and fun. So kung magla-loud, crazy, and fun ka na, doon ka na sa may pouch sapatos. Kaya ito yung binili kong size 12. And the Superstar isn't really friendly for people like me who have wide feet. So that's the reason why ako, yung binili ko in my size, na subukan ko sa Oten is this one, the Super Turf. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, shout out to Adidas. You guys have been killing it. The shoes that you've been relaunching the last few weeks, fire. Super awesome. Also, congratulations Adidas Philippines on your new shop, the Adidas Brand Center. Sobrang ganda. If you guys missed my video on that, I will link it down below. Panoodin nyo yan. It's the biggest store, Adidas store here in the Philippines. Okay, and before we wrap up, one quick reminder. I have two other channels. I have a dedicated channel for watches. Make sure to check it out if you're into horology. And I have a dedicated channel, well, I don't have cards with me now, but for NBA cards. So that's also linked down below. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you had an amazing weekend and I pray that you all have a productive, meaningful week up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up? Stay safe, stay awesome. To those in the Philippines, vote wisely. Boom. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. So we're here at Hobby Hive. Kita nyo naman mula dun sa akin sa taas dito sa Unbox Green Hills. And I have something very, very special for all of you. Lalong-lalo na to those of you who are fans of Jujutsu Kaisen. Tama pronunciation ko? Tama! So kung nagkamali ako, parusahan nyo na lang sa comments. So we're actually going to unbox, well, a massive, di naman massive, pero laki ng box eh. Pero surprise na lang. Pero this is one of my favorite characters from the anime. And I have two very special guests who will do the honor of unboxing the statue today. So, tara!